Okay, hi guys, it's Jolly Buster here. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a review on the Victorinox Classic SD Satin Red. Okay, get it out of the box here. Just instructions. As you can see, it's quite a nice little knife. Looks quite good with those red flame pattern on it. Okay, yeah, it's quite a good little knife. Okay, first thing, here we got the toothpick, which is quite, well, I can guess you say it's handy if you got braces or something, but on the braces, and it's not that useful for me. Next item is the tweezers. I haven't used these yet because I got this knife 2 days ago. But I'm got other ones of these knives and they're very good. These tweezers. As you can see, if I put it up closer, the edges on them are sort of sharp. And when you get stuff, it bites into it. So yeah, that's quite good. Basic but good. Okay. Now we got the nail file and the flathead screwdriver. For the nail file, I know girls like using them. I don't really use them. Some boys use them, but yeah, not my thing. The flathead screwdriver is quite handy if you want to unscrew some light equipment. Okay, the next item is the scissors. These scissors are quite good, quite nice and sharp, very handy. You won't cut yourself on them, which is good. That's one of the reasons they're so handy. Yeah, they're very good. I'll get a piece of paper here and I'll just show you how sharp these ones are. They're quite nice and sharp. They're very good for light jobs. You wouldn't want to use them on like wire or anything. But yeah, good for paper and like small string. If you're a fisherman, you use it for fishing line. Yeah, very handy. Then we got the knife. Little knife, but very handy. Very nice little knife. Comes in very handy, yeah. Very handy. If I get a piece of paper here, I'll show you how sharp it is. Once again, I got this 3 days ago, so I'm cut a few things, but not much. As you can see, it's very sharp. Yeah, very nice little sharp little knife. Very good. Okay, now I'll do some quick measurements. First of all, I'll do the overall knife. The overall knife is 2.5 inches overall. Then I'll do the blade. The blade is 1.5 inches cutting edge and just over 1.5 inches full sized. Okay, now the flathead screwdriver and nail file. Oh no, flathead screwdriver and nail file. That is just over 1.5 inches. And we got the scissors, which are again 1.5 inches. So they're the measurements. Once again, this knife is very basic, but very good. Very good EDC. As you can see how small it is. Very nice EDC, you don't even feel it in your pocket. It's got all you need. The only thing I can pick on this knife for is the keyring. I don't really use it because I wouldn't put them on a keyring, but some people might want to. To me, it's too heavy, it's too big to put on a keychain, even though this is the smallest victorinox. But I just took the keyring off, and yeah, it's good now. Now it just fits in my pocket, the keyring doesn't catch. Very nice. And that's all for the Victorinox Classic SD Sadded Red.